If you're thinking about buying the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro, hold on, because today I'm spilling the truth about this popular hair clipper that promises precision and power. But here's what surprised me. This clipper, despite its shiny look and heavy-duty motor, isn't as flawless as the hype claims. In fact, there are a few hidden issues that you need to know before you click buy. So if you want a smooth, snag-free haircut every time, keep watching because I'm going to walk you through the good, the bad, and the unexpected twists of this lineup classic that might just change the way you see Wahl forever. First off, let's get something clear. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is marketed as a professional-grade hair clipper with self-sharpening, precision-ground blades, and a motor powerful enough to handle even thick hair. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on, because the reality is a bit more nuanced. This clipper is made in the USA with domestic and imported parts, which adds a layer of quality assurance. However, the motor is heavy-duty, and there's no doubt it delivers power, but power isn't everything. I'll explain why powering through hair isn't quite the same as cutting smoothly. And I promise, you're going to want to hear this if you struggle with clippers that snag or pull. Now, if you're someone who trims your own hair, or maybe you're a barber or stylist wanting an affordable, reliable tool, this review speaks directly to you. Because we all want that clean, professional look without the frustration of stubborn hair clippers that chew through strands the wrong way. But here's a question for you. How many times have you had a clipper that felt great at first, but after a few uses, the blades dulled or the motor got noisy? The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro claims self-sharpening blades, so theoretically, these problems shouldn't exist. Yet, user feedback reveals some surprising insights you won't want to ignore. Let me tell you a quick story. A buddy of mine, a longtime Wahl fan, picked up the Chrome Pro feeling pumped. He loves the feel of Wahl products, right? After the first haircut, he was impressed. Clean lines, power to spare, and a surprisingly smooth finish. But after repeated use over just a few weeks, he noticed the blade slowed down, and it started pulling hair rather than cutting cleanly. He joked that the clipper had developed a personality and was now rebelling by snagging every strand. Here's the thing, blades might be self-sharpening on paper, but frequent heavy use in real life can wear them down faster than you'd expect. This leads us into the deep dive. What exactly makes the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro tick, and where does it trip up? First, the motor. It's designed for ultra power and no snag cutting, which is great if your hair is thick or coarse. But that motor's strength can become a double-edged sword. We discovered it can generate a lot of vibration. Too much vibration means less control, and less control means more chance of uneven cuts or accidental nicks. This isn't ideal if you're going for precision fades or detailed trims. Plus, that vibration can wear you out if you're trimming multiple clients or doing your own hair regularly. The blades themselves are another mixed bag. Wahl uses self-sharpening, precision ground blades, which in theory should stay sharp much longer than regular blades. And for many users, this was true initially. The Chrome Pro cut through hair like a hot knife through butter at first. But several buyers reported that after a few weeks, the blades felt less sharp and needed cleaning or oiling more often than advertised. Oils aren't included beyond a small bottle, so maintenance becomes something you have to buy separately, which sometimes catches you off guard. And here's a twist you might not expect. Despite being marketed as goof-proof, with guards included for smooth haircuts, the clipper's guard system can feel a little flimsy. The included guards don't always snap on tightly and sometimes slip during use, resulting in uneven lengths or requiring you to press extra hard. Definitely not what you want when trying to look sharp. It might sound small, but when you're mid-cut and a guard starts shifting, frustration builds fast. So how does it stack up on Amazon? With a 4.5-star rating, you might think this clipper is almost flawless. And honestly, many reviewers do praise its power and durability. But if you dig into the details, you'll see reviews split between love for the initial performance and complaints about blade dullness, builds quirks and vibration issues. It's a bit like loving a sports car's engine but complaining that the seats are uncomfortable. They're both valid. Now, let's punch this with some humor because clippers shouldn't cut your stress. They should cut your hair. Why don't barbers ever get lost? Because they always follow the clipper directions. And since we're talking serious tool talk, I'll say this. If the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro were a comedian, it'd be one with killer timing but occasionally forgetting the punchline. It performs well but misses a beat in a few key areas. But why would Wahl design something with such powerful specs and then have these small, nagging issues? It actually comes down to balancing cost and quality. This model is priced competitively for a heavy-duty clipper, offering professional features without the professional price tag. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife that's great for many tasks, but isn't quite master level in any one. So if you want something reliable and affordable for regular haircuts at home or light professional use, this might be your sweet spot. By now, you're probably wondering, should I buy the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro or pass? The honest answer is, it depends on your needs. If you want a powerful, USA-made clipper with good initial performance, and you're willing to do regular blade maintenance and handle some minor quirks, then this product will serve you well. However, if you demand ultra-smooth, vibration-free trims with guards that never slip, you might want to consider professional models at a higher price point. Let me share another quick story. My cousin bought the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro for his home grooming kit last Christmas. He wasn't a pro, just wanted to keep his hair tidy between salon visits. For him, it was perfect. The motor's power meant quick cut times, and he didn't mind oiling the blades every few weeks. Plus, it looks pretty slick in chrome, adding a bit of style to his shelf. So if you're like him, a casual user valuing power and price, you might find great value here. Rehook moment. But what about battery life, you ask? Well, the Chrome Pro is corded only, which means no portable trimming unless you've got an extension cord handy. For some, this is a deal breaker. For others, it ensures constant power without worrying about charging. So consider your grooming habits carefully. Are you trimming on the go or at your bathroom counter plugged in? This makes a difference. Okay, here's a joke to break the tension. Why did the hair clipper apply for a job? Because it wanted to make some cuts in the market. All right, I'm here all week. Now for what really sets this clipper apart. Its build quality and brand reputation. Wahl is a giant in the grooming industry, known for durability and innovation. The Deluxe Chrome Pro is no exception to the brand's high standards, and the fact that it's made in the USA adds a layer of trust many buyers find comforting. If anything, the issues we've discussed mostly come from real-world use and expectations rather than poor engineering. So here comes the resolution, the final verdict. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is a powerful, well-built clipper that excels at offering value for money. It's ideal for home users who want a hard-working tool and professional barbers on a budget who don't mind a little maintenance. If you prioritize portability or ultra-quiet operation, you might need to look elsewhere. Just remember, no product is perfect, but this one is very close to perfect for its price category. To sum up, you get robust motor power, professional-level blades that mostly hold up over time, a stylish chrome finish, and a package that covers essential accessories, guards and oils included. But watch out for blade dullness after heavy use, some vibration and guard fitment issues. Maintain your clipper thoughtfully and it'll become your grooming workhorse. Before I let you go, here's one last joke. How do barbers start their morning? By waking up and combing their dreams. Okay, I promise this one's the last. If you want the best price on the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro, I've dropped a link down in the description below. Check it out because deals pop up frequently, and it might be the perfect time to grab one. Whether you're freshening up at home or looking for an upgrade to your barber tools, this clipper offers a solid balance of power, price, and performance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this honest review helped you make a confident choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more honest product reviews that save you money and stress. See you next time.